Welcome to Nirvaan Re-Treat Ayurvedic Spa, where ancient wisdom meets modern tranquility. Indulge in a wide range of rejuvenating treatments including full body massages, Shirodhara, steam baths, sauna, head and shoulder massage, leg and foot massages, Ayurvedic facials, body scrubs and trigger point therapy, each designed to refresh your body and calm your mind. We are located next to Dadangula New Bridge, Kandy. Visit www.nirvan.com and begin your journey to complete relaxation today. Please hold while we connect your call.